Good morning, class 12th. As you all know, these days during online class, we are discussing and going through the chapter number 5, that is the challenges and restoration of the government. The chapter has been merged with Unit 2, so we have divided this chapter into various topics. So far, we have covered the areas of, you can say, the challenges faced by Indian democratic system or the challenges faced by Indian National Congress at that time in the era of 1960s. Today, we will be starting a new topic based on defection. Up. We have discussed about anti-defection law in our class 11th. When we studied about this topic, one important thing to be noticed is that it is the most important feature of politics in 1967 elections. Fourth general elections were held in 1967 at national level as well as for many state assemblies. We have already gone through the verdict of 1967 in which Congress managed to win at the national level, but at the state level in 9 states it was defeated. Now, in this era, basically many political leaders at the state level played a very important role in making and unmaking the government, which we called as defection. Actually, defection means when a person gets representation and then elected from a party, from the symbol of a political party, and then leaves that party and joins the another party for her self-interest or his self-interest. This thing became very common in the year of 1967. Many Congress legislators basically leave their political party and they were installed as non-Congress, they joined non-Congress political parties and became leaders. The 3 states at that time faced this problem on a very large issue. These 3 states were Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. When we talk about this defection policy, in your books a phrase has been used, that is Ayaram and Gayaram. In your books an advertisement of Amul butter has been given in which it has been stated Ayaram, Gayaram, Hey Ram. So it was a common phrase, it was a common expression. एक राजनीतिक वोकैबुलरी का एक यू कैन से कटाक्ष जिसे कहते हैं, कमेंट कहते हैं, वो बन गया था विच वॉज बेस्ड ऑन फ्लोर क्रॉसिंग. फ्लोर क्रॉसिंग मीन्स कि आप एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को बिलोंग करते हैं, अब उसे आप छोड़ के दूसरी चले गए, फिर आप क्रॉस करके वो लाइन फिर उसी ओरिजिनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में आ गए. If we really write to understand the meaning of this phrase, it stood for Ram came and Ram gone. This phrase was actually made on the MLA named Gaya Lal. Gaya Lal was an elected member of Legislative Assembly from Haryana. When he participated in the elections and won his seat, he changed his political party thrice. ठीक है? First, he changed his political party thrice and that too within 14 days. He won elections on the seat from Congress. Then he joined to United Front. फिर United Front से he resigned and rejoined the Indian National Congress. At that time there was another political leader whose name was Rao Birendra Singh. He says that now Ayaram is Gayaram and Gayaram is Ayaram. Fine, it was a comment at that time. So due to this defection, political parties was like becoming a dirty game and politics emerged at the dirtiest level, our constitution thereafter was amended in order to prevent defection. But we can't avoid this topic as it was an important feature. Defection was an important feature for the elections of 1967. There is yet another feature which we are going to do in another point. Thank you.